Hey everyone, Jill Gu here, and I wanted to give an update on my Tuscany, Italy retreat. So I decided to postpone the trip for this fall, just with everything that's going on, it made sense. But I am moving it to next year. So the new dates for the Tuscany, Italy retreat are September 18th through the 25th of 2021. So that's 15 months from now. So you've got lots of time to budget and plan if you want to go to Tuscany, Italy. It's magical. I can't say enough about how amazing this place is and the accommodations that we have and the places we visit. So if you're interested, check out the information below, take a look. And here's the deal. It only takes $500 to put down a deposit for this retreat. And I currently have 6 people signed up and I only have 12 spots available. So there's 6 spots remaining. So if this is something you're interested in, check out the information and you can register at the link below as well, or feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. But I hope you'll consider going on a retreat with me to Tuscany, Italy in September of 2021. All right, bye for now. I hope to see you in Italy. Ciao, baby.